In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your wallet address in Revolut. So first of all, just open up your Revolut app and then log in your account. After you do that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, where you can see your main balance, your widgets and all the transactions you have made. So to get your wallet address, simply all you need to do is just click on this crypto option at the bottom. Once you click on that, this will show you your portfolio, crypto portfolio. So to get your wallet address, simply click on this receive button, and once you click on that, you will get this window. From here you have to select the specific currency that you want to get your wallet address for. So you can select any of them, and once you select them, you will get your wallet address and also your QR code. So that is how you can get your wallet address in Revolut. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.